to show you how to deploy your Next.js application on Amazon web server through GitHub CI/CD pipeline. So let's start. So first of all, my domain is mostly.xyz. There is no website as current right now. So I'm going to I created the Amazon account for free plan. If you look there are some free 12-month free plan, Amazon web service 12-month free. So if you search on the Google, then you will get some okay. So here are all the services of Amazon, and I am, if I filtering only 12 months free, then I will get the different services for different purpose. So I choose this Amazon EC2 on the virtual servers in the clouds. The facility of this service, you may deploy your any stack like PHP, MERN stack, Python, anything directly on this platform, or you can create a Docker container to deploy it here. Okay. So my domain recently transferred to Hostinger, and so when you first time log in it here, your dashboard is just clean. There's nothing to show you here. So I choose the server locations. You can select the server location where the most user will visit your websites. So if you choose the locations of relevant of your users, then this website will reload quickly to and serve those people. So that's the issue. So so first of all, I need to import GitHub files to Amazon. So for that, I need to search AWS Amplify. You can just drag and drop it here, but though I prefer to use CI/CD pipeline, because when I change any something and after push the code, it will automatically deploy to the web servers. Okay, I'm choosing the GitHub deploy your app. Okay, so I can deploy through GitHub this technology, this stacks. Okay. So next, I need to give authorization of my GitHub. Only selected repository, then I choose the portfolio. So my main branch is master. If you have the main, then it will be load automatically to main. So, okay. Is a monorepo? No. Next, npm run build. Make sure this command exists on your package.json file. So if I open it through VS Code, okay, so there is npm next build, that means npm run build, and start. Okay. So I'm keeping all the defaults as usual. Save and deploy. If you won't agree to use GitHub CI/CD pipeline, then you have definitely know the basic commands of running the Ubuntu, because every time when you want to install anything on Ubuntu or Linux Linux-based OS, you have to update your OS first, then install the required software like Node.js, and after installing that, you just deploy your website or run your website as your PC. So nothing complex it here. So if I click it, it will open. Your app will appear here once you complete the first deployment. Okay. So it's deploying, not completed yet. So we need to wait. So I can add the custom domain from here, or if you just directly deploy, then you have to create an instance at ECA and add domain to the route 53 Yes, route 53 will serve for your domain. You have to create a host at these services. Okay, so let's wait. I'm not sure will it be okay or not, so I paused this video and we'll be back after completed the deployment. Okay, so it's successfully deployed, and if I reload it, it shows serve here. So I need to add the custom domain. So add a domain. So I have to add the domain at route 53. Okay, so route 53. Then get started. Registered domain, transferred domain, no. Configuration, no traffic. Okay, registered domain. Create a host zone. Though I have already have a domain. If I haven't, then I need to register a new domain. So the domain is musfik.xyz. I keep all the default settings. Okay. Create a host zone. So host zone has been created. Now I need to put this value at our hosting or domain provider. So change the name server, change. Okay. Set. Okay, it might take up to 24 hours. No issues. So if I check the domain don't work, then again I need to go amplify. The custom domain and the domain. So this domain configure. I don't need to this. I just keep it here. Okay. Okay. This is to okay. So SSL creation is in progress. It needs few minutes. Then it's few minutes, so we need to wait. And SSL configurations. The problem I have faced that I tried to serve the main domain, but I got the error, so I created the subdomain through here. Sorry. Okay. Zone. Okay. So I created the domain as a subdomain. But if I link this and serve to this domain, so okay. So if I set up redirect, I'm not sure. Okay, so if I serve type this domain, the domain redirect to this www.musfik.xyz. So at Amazon, if you want to serve the main domain, it won't happen. I don't know how these things happen to others, but I got the problem. Then I created this and redirect to it. So the domain is completely working properly. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please make sure you subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.